Moving a TV can be easy with these simple steps. Here's what you'll need. Consider using a flat-screen TV box that includes a TV sleeve, corner cushions, and an adjustable box. Take photos of wiring before disconnecting. Clean screen, vents, and casing before packing. Organize components in plastic storage bags and label. Remove legs, stand, or detach from wall mount. Protect the screen by sliding it into a foam sleeve. Secure with packing tape. Pad corners with foam or bubble wrap. Place the TV into the appropriate size moving box. Label the box "Fragile." To move a TV without a box, wrap the center of the TV with bubble wrap to protect the screen, and then pad the corners. With the TV in the center of a moving blanket, fold corners over the screen. Lastly, secure with packing tape. To transport the TV safely to your new home, slide the TV between two flat, sturdy objects. Add moving blankets for extra padding. Keeping your TV protected during a move is easy with a good plan. Good luck with the move, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.